Hello viewers, welcome to linuxkey.com. Today we are going to see about how to install Monkey Web Server on Linux Mint M3. Monkey Web Server is a very fast and lightweight web server for Linux operating system. It has been designed to be very scalable with low memory and CPU consumption and many more. Okay, now let us see how to install Monkey Web Server on Linux Mint M3. Now here first of all we have to download the Monkey Web Server apt-key. Use the following command. Then we have to add the repository file. Then now here we have to update our system repository using by apt and get command. Then finally we have to install the Monkey Web Server application. Then here we have to start the Monkey Web Server service. Then enable the service. Then we have to open the browser. Here you can give IP address or domain name. Here I am giving localhost. Now here we can see Monkey Web Server version 1.6. Thus we have seen how to install Monkey Web Server on Linux Mint M3. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Linuxhelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.